Uptown Swing level 1.
Elizabeth.
Peter, we did 8 count stuff. We did circle, and then a swing up and a circle, then a swing up and a swing up. Go a little something like this. Circle as you recall. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step. We do that same thing, but down a line this time. So leader's not going across, you're kind of headed that away. It goes. Rock, step, triple step, 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 triple step, and we right back into the circle. This is a swing up. This is a circle for open. Then we practiced swing it out and going right back into swing up. And swing out again 1,000,000 times until you barf. Never stopping until you die.